Hello, assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss about the math solving problem if you are in 9 class, if you are in 5 class or in any class. So what you have to do, you have to write down here in this way: math solve app Microsoft. Here are the bundle of app, but it's a very fantastic which I feel I should share with you. Still it's opening. You do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and must comment. Okay, let's see what we can do in this. We can take the snap in this way. Okay, we can draw here the problem as well. 4 plus 1. Okay, in this way we can do this thing, and then the answer will come. 4 plus 1 is a 5. Okay, so we can do this thing as well. Let me show you the proof of this. Okay, here is the one more thing that it will tell you about the one by one step. It's a very good thing, that's why I told you about this. Solution is 5. Okay, and if you want to type, so you can type 7 2. Let's move. Here the answer will come. So it will tell you the step by step. So friends, it's very fantastic and very amazing app, and you can see the solution of this, that how it's come and this. So friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for any new update. Thank you.